The Elgato Prompter and Prompter XL are designed for the same purpose, but differ slightly in scale, performance, and versatility. Elgato did send me both prompters in the past, but under no obligation to make this video. If you're interested in either prompter, you can find the links in the video description. Starting with price, the standard prompter comes in at $200 less than the larger Prompter XL, reflecting its more advanced specs. In terms of display, the prompter features a 9-inch screen with a 1024 by 600 resolution, whereas the XL boasts a much larger 15.6-inch Full HD display at 1920 by 1080. The XL is also brighter at 600 nits compared to the prompter's 400 nits, making it easier to read in brighter studio environments. Both models share a 60 Hz refresh rate and USB-C connection, but the XL supports USB 3.2, allowing faster and more reliable data transfer. Power consumption naturally scales up with performance, 4.5 watts on the standard prompter versus 15 watts on the XL. One major difference lies in flexibility. The standard model's display and beam splitter are fixed, while the XL includes both a detachable display and detachable beam splitter glass, giving creators far more setup options. When it comes to build materials, the prompter uses a plastic mounting bracket that supports cameras or lenses up to 11 centimeters, while the Prompter XL upgrades to an aluminum bracket capable of handling cameras or lenses up to 22 centimeters. The beam splitter glass on the standard version measures 200 by 180 millimeters, compared to the XL's larger 360 by 290 millimeter glass. Mounting options also differ. The prompter includes 2 1/4-inch and 2 cold shoe mounts, while the XL expands that to 2 1/4-inch and 1 3/8-inch cold shoe rail mount for more complex setups. Finally, weight is another key distinction. The standard prompter is highly portable at 609 grams or 1.5 pounds, while the Prompter XL weighs 2,973 grams or 6.6 pounds, making it more suitable for fixed studio environments. Overall, the prompter is ideal for creators who value portability and simplicity, while the Prompter XL caters to professionals seeking a larger, brighter, and more customizable teleprompting solution.